Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another pair of headphones by Edifier. This is the W830NB. So they have a great feature. Besides high resolution audio, their battery life is 94 hours, which is almost 4 full days, which is absolutely amazing. I never seen any other headphones being able to last 94 hours with one charge. So today we're gonna do an unboxing video. I'm gonna show you guys how the box looks like. So this is the front of the box. So high-res audio wireless, Bluetooth, 94 hours as I said, over-ear earphones with active noise cancellation, which also it's a really great feature. This is how the headphones look. On the back of it we have a list of all the features. So we have active noise cancellation, 40mm composite diaphragm driver, environmental noise cancellation, ambient sound mode, dual device connection, and foldable design, so you can fold it and take it with you when you're traveling. Wherever you go you can just fold it and store it somewhere neat. So yeah, basically that's it with the box. I am going to go ahead now and open it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. So let's start with the small stuff first. So we have a manual right here. This is an instruction manual. By the way, this pair of headphones can be connected to Edifier's own app, which is Edifier Connects. You either scan this QR code or you can find it on the App Store or on the Google Play Store. Basically, it's an app that helps you customize it and better connect and use most of the function that Edifier products provide. We have a safety manual right here. You can unpack it. It's in different languages. Give this a read if you need to. They gave us a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable. This is used for charging. And we have the headphones itself, which is I mean, they look great and they feel great. They rotate on this side as well. So the ear cups are made from PU leather material, and it's really soft. It looks like it has some kind of memory foam. We find the same type of material on the top right here, so we won't put a lot of pressure on your head. It will distribute the pressure uniformly. We have a charging port, USB Type-C right here. Have the power buttons and volume up and down, stop and pause. Basically it's really easy to operate. If you want to start it and connect it to either your laptop, your PC, or any Bluetooth device like your phone, all you have to do is just turn it on, turn on Bluetooth settings on your device, and you should see the headset's name. Basically you press pair once and that's it. You don't have to do it again. Every time they're on and your Bluetooth on that device is on that you have already paired, they will connect automatically. If you guys want to buy this, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.